Heteromeles are beautifolia, the toyon, or otherwise known as the California holly or the Christmas holly. This one gets about 15 feet tall, give or take about 8 to 10 feet wide. It takes full sun to partial shade. White flowers in the summer, very fast growing and good at slopes. Very, very good for slopey areas. It will also work really well in areas where you want to hide the neighbors with something really tall. Salvia spathacea, hummingbird sage. Evergreen, 2 feet tall by about 3 feet wide. Partial shade to full shade. Fuchsia flowers. And the bottom of this leaf is kind of prickly. Not prickly, I'm sorry. The bottom of the leaf is sticky. But if you got a shady area and you want a gorgeous plant to attract all the beneficial wildlife, I would recommend this. Trichostema lineatum, woolly blue curls. About 4 feet tall by 3 feet wide. Full sun to filtered sun. Purple flowers in the spring and summer. Mild, sweet scent. Hint of sweet in your garden. The Native Americans did use this medicinally.
They also used it for fishing.
I'm told they also used it for fishing, if you heard in the background.